Practice set 5.3. First question, example number 4. The question is same, that we have to write the sample space and the number of sample points. We have to write the events A, B and C into the set form, and we have to calculate number of A, number of B and number of C. So here we have given the fourth example, that is a 2-digit number is formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. Event A, the number formed is even. Event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. And event C, the number formed is greater than 50. Here we have to form the 2-digit numbers using these digits, and repetition is not allowed. That is very important. Without repetition, we cannot repeat a digit. For example, we cannot write 22. We cannot form the number 33 or 44 or 55 or 11. We cannot repeat the digit in the सेम नंबर. एक नंबर तयार करत असताना एकच अंक दोन वेळा आपण यूज करू शकत नाही. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. सो हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू write the random experiment as it is. What is the random experiment? A 2-digit number is formed. A 2-digit number is formed with digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. That is very important. Without repetition. Repetition is not allowed. We have to form the 2-digit numbers using the 6 digits. We have given the 6 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have to form the 2-digit numbers. So here we will write let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. So here we can write the sample space. S is equal to into the curly bracket. Now we have to start with 0. But suppose you write like this is 0, 1, that is not 2-digit number. Or you write 0, 2, that is not 2-digit number. So we cannot write 0 in tens place. And we cannot get a single number writing the 0 at the tens place. So then we have to think about 1. Now using this digit 1, comparing this digit with each and every digit, we have to form the 2-digit number. So writing 1 in the tens place, we will get 1 and 0, that is 10. Then we cannot write 1 and 1, that is 11, because repetition is not allowed. We cannot use the same digit in a number twice. We cannot repeat the digit in the 2-digit number. That is very important. So we cannot write 11 here. Then 1 compared with 2, that is we have 12 here. Then we have 13. 1 is compared with 3, then 14 and then 15. So from a digit we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. From a digit. From this digit we get 5 numbers. From this digit 5. Then from this digit 5. From this digit 5 and from this digit 5. So 5 5s are 25 elements we will get there. There are 25 elements in the sample space. We write 5 numbers here. Comparing this one with each and every digit, we get 5 numbers. Now comparing this 2 with 0, that is 2 0, 20, then 2 1, 21. Then we cannot write 2 2, 22 because repetition is not allowed. Then 2 3, 23, 2 4, 24 and 2 5, 26. Sorry, 2 5, 25. Now comparing this digit 3 with each and every digit, compare 3 with 0, with 1, with 2, with 4 and with 5, we will get 5 more 2-digit numbers, that is 3 0 30, 3 1 31, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, then 3 3 33. So we cannot write that 2-digit number here since the repetition is not allowed. 3 4 34, then 3 5 35. Then comparing this 4 with each and every digit, that is 4 0 40 is 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43. We cannot write 44 because repetition is not allowed. And then we have 4 5 45. Now compare 5 with each and every digit, so you will get 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. We cannot write 55 because repetition is not allowed. Since the repetition is not allowed, we cannot write 55 there. So you can calculate all the 2-digit numbers. We already calculate this from this digit 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Just we cannot get the 5 numbers from this digit. From other each and every digit we get the 5 2-digit numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 numbers should be there. So we will calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So here you can write number of years is equal to 25. Number of years is equal to 25. Actually we have 6 digits, but writing this 0 in the tens place we cannot get a 2-digit number. 0 1 that is 1 only, 0 2 that is 2 only, 0 3 that is 3 only, 0 4 that is 4 only, 0 5 that is 5 only. So these 5 2-digit numbers, that these are not the 2-digit numbers, we will get the single digit number only, and we have to get the 2-digit numbers. So we get 25 elements in all. Now we write the sample space, we calculate the number of sample points. Now we have to write the event A. So we will write the event in the words first, and then we will write the event in the set form. Event A, the number formed is even. The number formed is even. The number formed is even. So here we have to write only even numbers from the sample space. That is very important because this event is the subset of the sample space. So only we have to write the even numbers from the sample space. So here you can write A is equals to into the curly bracket only even number. This is even number 10, then 12, 14, then 20, then 24, after 24 30, 32, then 34, 40, 42, 34, 40, 42, then 50, 52, 54, 50, 52, 54. These are all the even numbers from the sample space. So calculate how many 2-digit even numbers are there in the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 even numbers are there. 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. So number of A is equal to 13. Number of A is equal to 13. Once again calculate, because if the answer is incorrect then we are not getting the marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers are there. So number of A is equal to 13. Now we have to write the event B in the set form, and then we have to calculate number of B. So first of all we will write the event into the words. Event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. The number formed is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. So we have to write the numbers from the sample space which are divisible by 3. So all of you know that the divisibility test of 3. If the sum of the digits in the given number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. And the numbers are too easy or too smaller numbers, all these numbers are less than 55. So you can easily get the numbers which are divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, that is 12. So here we can write b is equal to into the curly bracket 12, that is divisible by 3. After 12, 15 is divisible by 3. Then 21 is divisible by 3. After 21, 24 is divisible by 3. After 24, 30 is divisible by 3. After 30, 31 is not there, 32 not, 34 no, 35 is not divisible by 3, 40 no, 41 not, 42 is divisible by 3. Then 43 not, 45 is divisible by 3. After 45, 51 is divisible by 3. The sum of 5 and 1 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So 51 is divisible by 3. After 51, we have 54. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3 since 54 is divisible by 3. So these are the numbers which are divisible by 3. Calculate how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have number of b is equals to 9. Number of b is equals to 9. And now we have to write the event C into the set form, and then we have to write the number of sample points in the event C. So here we will write the first given event into the words, that is event C. The number formed is greater than 50. The number formed is greater than 50. The number formed is greater than 50. We cannot calculate 50 there, greater than 50. So here 51, 52, 53 and 54, 4 elements are there. C is equal to into the curly bracket 51, 52, 53 and 54. We have 4 elements in all, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can write number of C is equal to 4. So this is all about the solution of the example number 4. Now we will simplify the next example, that is example number 5. Example number 5 from practice set 5.3. The question is the same and the example random experiment is example number 5. The random experiment is from 3 men and 2 women. An environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Totally we have 5 members there, 3 men and 2 women, 5 persons are there, but we have to form the committee of 2 persons only. So how many committees should be formed there in the sample space, and then we have to write the number of sample points, then event A, B and C into the set form, and then we have to write number of A, number of B and number of C also. So here first of all we will write random experiment here. What is the random experiment? From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed, that is the random experiment. So we will write that random experiment here. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed, that is the random experiment. Now here we have to use the variables for 3 men and 2 women. We have to use the variables for 3 men and 2 women. So here we will write let m1 comma m2 m1 comma m2 किंवा कॉमन नाही दिला तरी चालेल, m1 m2 m3 are the 3 men and 2 women. So we will represent it as W1, W2, B the 2 women, be the 2 women. 3 mains we consider that M1, M2 and M3 are the 3 mains, and for the 2 women we represent the variables W1 and W2 be the 2 women. So here we have 5 persons in all M1, M2, M3, W1, W2, but we have to form the committee of 2 persons only. Only 2 persons should be there in the committee. So how many committees we will form? So here we will write the sample space first. Let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. Therefore, S is equal to into the curly bracket. We have to form the committees of 2 persons. So first of all, we will prepare the committees of men only. Then we will form the committees of women only. And then we will form the committees combinedly, men and women together. So we have to form the committees of the mains only first. So we have to take 2 persons. So we will take these 2 persons. For the first committee is M1, M2. That is a committee. One committee is formed. Then we will use these 2 persons. That is M2, M3. That is second committee M2, M3. First of all, we have to form the committees of men only, and then first and last. Then first and last, that is M1, M3. First, second, second, third, and first, third. So we will get 3 committees of men only. That is M1, M3 is the third committee, M1, M3. Now we have to form the committees of women only, and we will get only one committee, that is W1, W2. Only women committees, that is W1, W2, only one committee we will get there, W1, W2. Now combinedly we have to form the committees, that is men and women. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to compare this variable with both these women separately. That is M1 is compared with W1. M1 is compared with W1. Then this M1 is compared with W2. M1 is compared with W2. Now we have to compare M2 with both the women, that is M2, W1. M2, W1. Then compare this M2 with W2, that is M2, W2. M2, W2. Then compare this last person, third man with the 2 women separately, that is M3, W1. M3, W1. And compare this M3 with the second woman, that is W2, M3, W2. So these all are the committees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We get the 10 committees there. How we get the committees? Once again, see, committees of men only. First we prepare the committees of only men, that is M1, M2, 1, M2, M3, 2, and then M1, M3, third committee. We get 3 committees of only men. Then we prepare the committees of women only, and we get only one committee. Since there are only 2 women, so we get only one committee, that is W1, W2. And now we have to form the committees combinedly. Compare this M1 with both these women separately and get 2 committees. Compare this M2 with both these 2 women separately, and again we will get the 2 committees. And then compare this M3 with W1 and W2 separately, and we will get 2 more committees. So total how many committees we have? 10 committees in all. So here you can write, therefore number of S is equal to 10. Now we have to write the event A in the set form, and we have to find the number of A. So first of all we will write the event into the words. event A is the event. There must be at least one woman member. There must be at least one woman member. At least one woman member. At least one woman member should be there out of 2. आपण जी 2 पर्सनची कमिटी प्रिपेअर करतो त्याच्यामध्ये ॲटलिस्ट मिनिमम कमीत कमी एक तरी महिला असली पाहिजे. एकही महिला जर त्या कमिटीमध्ये नसेल तर आपण ती कमिटी या इव्हेंटमध्ये लिहू शकत नाहीत. ॲटलिस्ट वन वुमन मेंबर शुड बी देअर. आउट ऑफ 2 1 वुमन शुड बी देअर. मिनिमम 1 वुमन. ॲटलिस्ट 1 वुमन पाहिजे. 1 पेक्षा लेस नाही चालत, मोर चालतात. एकापेक्षा जास्त महिला असतील त्या कमिटीमध्ये तर चालतात. दॅट विल वर्क. इफ more than one woman is there in the committee, that will work. But if there is no woman, then we cannot write that committee in this event. So this is very important word, at least one. Minimum one woman should be there. If no woman is there in the committee, we cannot include that committee in this event. That is very important. मिनिमम 1 वुमन शुड बी देअर. एकही महिला नसेल, एकही वुमेन त्या कमिटीमध्ये नसेल तर आपण ती कमिटी याच्यामध्ये इन्क्लूड करू शकत नाही. सो कंडिशन काळजीपूर्वक समजून घ्या आणि इव्हेंट ए सेट फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचे आहे. देअरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू इंटू द कर्ली ब्रॅकेट. सी वी हॅव टू टेक ऑल द एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम द सॅम्पल स्पेस ओनली. इज देअर अ वुमन? वी नीड ॲटलिस्ट 1 वुमन. हिअर नो वुमन. Here also no woman, here also no woman, so we cannot write these elements here in the set A. But here we have at least 1 woman, we have 2 women. We need 1 only, but we have 2, so it will work. Minimum 1 woman should be there, and 1 woman is there in the committee, so you can write that element here, that is W1, W2. Then here also we have 1 woman, so you can write that committee M1, W1. M1 W1. Then M1 W2, 1 woman is there. M1 W2. Each and every element we can write because there is at least 1 woman. Here also woman is included. Here woman is included. Here also woman. Here woman. Here woman. Here also woman, and here also woman. Only we cannot write these 3 committees. Because there are only men in these 3 committees, there is no single woman. We need at least 1 woman, but there is no 1 woman in these 3 committees. So we cannot write these 3 committees only. We can write remaining 7 committees there. So we have to write all the 7 committees, M1 W2, then M2 W1, then M2 W2, then M3 W1. And then M3 W2, M3 W2. Curly bracket is closed. That is very important. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements are there. So we can write here number of A is equals to 7. Number of A is equal to 7. Since 7 elements are there, number of A is equal to 7. Now we have to write the event B in the set form, and we have to write the number of sample points. Event B. Event B. What is the event B? 1 woman, 1 man, 1 woman committee to be formed. त्या कमिटीमध्ये 1 वुमन आणि 1 मेन, 1 महिला आणि 1 पुरुष. दोन्ही महिला असतील तर ती कमिटी लिहू शकत नाहीत, दोन्ही पुरुष असतील तर ती कमिटी लिहू शकत नाहीत. वी नीड 1 मॅन अँड 1 वुमन. वी नीड 1 मॅन अँड 1 वुमन. सो वी हॅव टू राईट दोज कमिटीज इन्क्लुडिंग 1 मॅन अँड 1 वुमन. सो हिअर विल राईट दी इव्हेंट इन दी वर्ड फर्स्ट, दॅट इज 1 मॅन, 1 वुमन. Committee to be formed. Committee to be फॉर्म. कमिटी फॉर्म करण्यासाठी 1 मॅन आणि 1 वुमन आवश्यक आहे. एकही मेन नसेल तर ती आपण लिहू शकत नाहीत, एक वुमन नसेल तर ती कमिटी आपण लिहू शकत नाहीत. वी नीड 1 मॅन 1 वुमन देअर. So we can write here B is equals to into the curly bracket. Here we have both the men since we cannot include this element here. Here also we have 2 men, here 2 men, here both the women. We need 1 man, 1 woman. So we cannot write these 4 elements there. We cannot write these 4 elements there since here we have both the men, here also both the men, here also both the men, here we have 2 women. But we need 1 man and 1 woman there. So this is, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the committees we can write here because all these 6 committees including 1 man and 1 woman. Just we cannot write these 4 elements there. Remaining 6 elements we can write here. Is the first element is M1W1, then M1W2, then M2W1, then M2W2, then M3W1 and then M3W2. M3W2. Here we have 6 committees in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can write here number of V is equal to 6. And now last event we have to write, that is event C, and we have to calculate the number of sample points. The event is there should not be a woman member. त्या कमिटीमध्ये महिला नसलीच पाहिजे. There should not be a woman member. Woman member नसायलाच पाहिजे कमिटीमध्ये. We need only men. There should not be a woman member in the committee. It means that we have to get the committees including men only. So we have 3 committees here. This M1, M2, M2, M3, M1, M3. These 3 committees including only men. There should not be a woman member. That is the given condition. So here we do not have any woman in these 3 committees. So we can write that 3 committees in the event C. So first of all we will write the event into the words. Is event C is there should not be a woman member. 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 So here we can write C is equal to into the curly bracket. Committees including men only. The first committee is M1, M2. Second committee is M2, M3 and third committee is M1, M3. Curly bracket close. Number of C is equals to 3. So this is all about the answer of the example number 5. And now we have to study the last example from this practice set and from this question, that is example number 6. Example number 6 from the practice set 5.3, which is last example from this practice set. The given random experiment is 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. A coin and a die thrown simultaneously. We have to write the sample space, we have to write number of sample points, we have to write the events A, B and C into the set form, and also we have to write number of A, number of B and the number of C. So here first of all we will write the random experiment as it is. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. 1 coin and 1 die thrown simultaneously. At a time, coin and die thrown. So let S be the sample space. Let S be the sample space. Now how to write the sample points? That is very important here. Now we have given a one coin and one die. As we all of you know that one coin is tossed means either we have to get head or tail. If a coin is tossed, we will get either head or tail on the upper face, and if a die is thrown, then we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 elements there. Now here we have to compare this element with each and every element of the die with the every element. Now we have to compare this element with each and every element of the die. T is compared with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, all the members. So how we will get the sample space here? S is equal to into the curly bracket first element head and 1. You can write it as H1. Head is compared with 1, so that is H1. Then head is compared with 2, head is compared with 3, head is compared with 4, head is compared with 5 and head is compared with 6. So head is compared with each and every number. Now we have to compare the tail with each and every number. So we will get 6 more elements there, that is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6 curly bracket close. So how many elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we can write number of S is equal to that is number of sample points is equal to 12. We can easily write here, therefore number of S is equal to 12. We have 12 elements in all. This is very important and it is too easy. Just we have to compare the head on the coin with each and every number on the die, and we have to compare the tail on the coin with each and every number on the die. So H is compared with 6 numbers, so we get 6 elements in the first row, and T is compared with 6 numbers on the die, so again we get 6 members there. Total we have 12 elements in all. 6 plus 6, 12 elements in all. Now we have to write the event A. We have to write the event A. It is to get head and odd number. There should be head and odd number. Head is there on the coin and odd number is there on the die. So head and odd numbers only we have to include there. So first of all we will write the event here. Event A. What is the event A? To get head and an odd number. To get head and an odd number. There should be head on the coin and odd number on the die. So H and odd number is H and odd number, head and odd number. This is head and odd number. There should not be head in the second row. Only heads are there in the first row. That is, we need head and odd number. Head odd is head, odd number is head and odd number. So we have 3 elements in all. So here we can write A is equal to into the curly bracket H1, H3 and H5, head and odd number, curly bracket close. 1, 2, 3 members we have, 3 elements we have. So we can write here number of A is equals to 3. It is too easy. Once we write the sample space correct, then we can easily write the events there. So we have to write event B. So first of all we will write the event B into the word event B. What is the event B? B is the event that to get head or tail but even number on the die. आयदर हेड ऑर टेल इज देअर ऑन द कॉईन. हेड असला तरी चालतो किंवा टेल असला तरी चालतो, पण हेड किंवा टेलसोबत इव्हन नंबरच असला पाहिजे. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. हेड इव्हन नंबर ऑर टेल इव्हन नंबर. हेड आणि इव्हन नंबर आणि टेलसोबत पण इव्हन नंबर असला पाहिजे. मग असे जेवढे पण एलिमेंट्स आपल्याकडे आहेत तेवढे सगळे एलिमेंट्स आपल्याला इथे लिहायचे आहेत. टू गेट हेड ऑर टेल, टू गेट head or tail and an even number, and an even number, either head or tail, and there should be even number with the head or tail. So here we can write b is equal to into the curly bracket head and even numbers we need, that is h2, h4, h2, h4, h6, head and even number, h2, h4, h6. Now we have to get the tail and even numbers. This t2, t4 and t6. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So number of B is equal to 6. And now last event, that is event C. C is the event of number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Coin वरती tail मिळाला पाहिजे आणि die वरती असणारा जो नंबर आहे तो greater than 7 असला पाहिजे. Now we know that only 6 numbers are there on the die. There is no any number which is greater than 7 on the die, so it is impossible event. It is impossible event. Number on the upper face is greater than 7. No any number on the die is greater than 7, so it is impossible event. There is no any element, it is impossible event. There is no any element in that even, since there is no any number which is greater than 7 on the die. We will get tail on the coin, but with that tail there is no any number which is greater than 7. So this is the impossible event. So first of all we will write the event C into the words here. Number on the upper face, number on the upper face greater than 7 is greater than 7 and tail on the coin, and tail on the coin. कॉइन वरती टेल असला पाहिजे आणि डाय वरती नंबर ग्रेटर दॅन 7 असला पाहिजे, विच इज इम्पॉसिबल. सो हियर यू कॅन राईट C is equal to empty set. C is equal to empty set. There is no any element satisfying this condition because there is no any number which is greater than 7 on the die. So we have C is equal to empty set, or we can write the symbol phi. C is equal to empty curly bracket, or you can write the symbol phi. There is no any element, so number of C is equal to 0. Number of C is equals to 0. So this is all about the practice set 5.3. Now we will study the next concept after practice set 5.3 into the next video lecture. Thank you.